Many people are failing not because they have bad products, but they just don't know how to sell the products that they have. Now I ask you, are you looking to get more sales on eBay and build a long-term business? Well, if you do not list your products properly, you will miss out on valuable sales. You'll be fighting with other sellers to be the cheapest, and you're going to end up wasting valuable storage space, holding products for a long time when you could be selling them much faster. And that is why I'm going to show you a winning strategy to rank #1 on eBay. And by following the strategy that I show you in this video, you don't need to be the cheapest to rank really high on eBay. You can get the most amount of sales and you can squeeze really good profits from your products. So make sure you watch this entire video because we're going to be looking at everything, including image strategy, winning titles, looking at descriptions, item specifics, and looking at some of the really fine details that can help you rank #1 on eBay. And remember, for every single one of you watching this video, there is a free guide on how to start a wholesale business on eBay. Link to it is in the description of this video. So here's an example of a winning product when we search for the search term magnetic bracelet. Just look at how this stands out compared to other listings that you see on the page. It's got that factor that's going to make you want to stop and click on it. And for the person who's selling this product, it's selling for £4.99. And if you scroll a little bit lower, you can see that they're not even the cheapest selling this product, but they rank fairly high. Now, I understand that you're probably thinking, wait up, they are a sponsored listing, but you can search for this product on eBay, and even if it doesn't come up as a sponsored, it ranks very high organically. And just to show you, this product has sold 742 times. And if we look at the sales history, you can see that this product is selling multiple times on a daily basis. Now, before I show you the exact strategy, I'd really appreciate it if you just take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. It only takes you less than a second to do, and it means a lot to us on this channel. Now, with that being said, I'd also like to know what type of products you are selling on eBay. The more I understand about what you're selling, the better videos I can make that are relevant to you. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you sell on eBay? So to create a successful listing and follow a proper strategy, you need to put yourself in a customer's shoes. So in this instance, we are going to look for a fitness tracker and see exactly what appears when people are searching. So you can see a fitness tracker watch. We're going to go ahead and click on that because that's exactly what a customer will be doing. Now, if you look at these listings, there's a bunch of different listings over here. There's this watch, this watch, this watch, this watch. What you really need to do is that you'll find that there is often the same product selling multiple times. So look at this smartwatch over here. It's exactly the same as this one here. And if we scroll down, we will probably find the same smartwatch again, which is over here. There's often going to be multiple people selling the same product, and the first thing that customer sees is not the title, is the image. So you want your image to stand out better than everybody else's. You want people to stop and click on your image and see what your product is all about. The next thing that they're going to do is they're going to read the title. So you want to make sure that your title is filled with keywords that people will be searching for. So for example, if someone wanted this smartwatch, it's only £8.94. It's for Android and Apple smartwatch, fitness tracker, blood pressure, heart rate, iOS, UK. Now, something that I would probably change is iOS because I know many people don't search for iOS. So you might be searching for a budget fitness tracker watch for Android and Apple with heart rate monitor or something along them lines. Another thing that you want to look at is your pricing strategy when you are launching the product. Many people think that, hey, if I go and buy this product and I resell it and then I maybe sell it for 25 pence less, then most people will come and buy my product. Well, that's not the case because this seller is selling 5 in the last 24 hours. They sold it 600 times and they are proven sellers on eBay. So what you really should be doing is you should be starting off selling these products at break even. So you say, for example, you go out there and buy 400 of these. You're going to start it at break even, and then every 5 to 10 sales you make, you're going to go up by 10 to 25 pence, and you're going to slowly put the price up until you meet this criteria. Now, another thing that you really want to be looking at is how can you improve on this? So they've done buy 2 get 1 free. You definitely want to be putting in buy 2 get 1 free. They've got postage at 99 pence. Maybe you can put in free postage on there. Delivery, today's date is the 16th of December and their delivery is between the 28th of December and the 4th of Jan. So maybe you can offer faster shipping, 30-day refund policy. Maybe you could do a 60-day refund policy. Remember, you're not going to sell if you just copy and paste someone else's. Remember, because these guys are proven sellers on eBay, they've built up a proven track record of sales. eBay trusts them, and when customers see their listing, they're going to want to do business with them. So you got to go in there and you got to see how can you improve on the listing. Now, here's another tip. Many people, they want to spend so much time on the description of the products with all these images and everything on there. Do you know the more that you add into your description, the longer it takes for the product to load up? And with more than 70% of the people who shop on eBay are doing it through a mobile phone, you're just creating a worse user experience. You want to keep the description simple, and then the first line or two, you want to repaste your title in there and add in any keywords that you couldn't put in. That will also help you with the SEO. Put in a couple of features, advantages, and benefits on there. Put the item specifics like what comes in the package, the size of the product, and that's all you really need to do in a description. And with these item specifics over here, you need to fill in everything as much as you can. Because, for example, if I go over to eBay and I search for a fidget ring, for example, then you will see on the left hand side of the screen there are a bunch of options that people can narrow down the searches: silver, steel, titanium, rose gold, United Kingdom, Great Britain, ring size, color, and all these other things. And what you will see is that people actually do click on these to narrow down their searches. So you want to ensure that when they're narrowing down the searches, you're getting found by the right people who are searching for your products. Now, this video would probably end up a couple of hours long if I continue to show you how to do everything step by step. So I've given you an idea of what you can do, but if you want a full step-by-step guide, we do have an eBay product launch course. This is a free course for everyone who's an elite member on our website. The eBay product launch course currently has 22 videos in there. However, we do continuously keep adding to it with more guides to help you out. To become an elite member on the website, it costs £29.99 a month. However, there is no minimum contract, as you can see, but what you do get is you get 10% off all non-winning elite products, free access to the eBay product launch course, which is what I just mentioned. You get elite member only products, you get trending Shopify products at wholesale prices, and then you get quotes for any product from Alibaba. If you don't know, the winning products we post on the daily on the website. So for example, this ring that we just looked at, I'll show you that you can actually buy 200 of these for $375 delivered, meaning you only pay £1.54 per unit. So if you also sell it for £5.99, you're going to make £2 and 2 pence profit per sale after all deductions. As an elite member, you get 10%. For example, if it's £307.87, you get 10% off that. Guess what? You'll actually be saving more than what you would be paying for elite. But then you're also going to get 10% off any other product in our winning product section. You get access to the elite member only products. So these are products only available for elite members. And then you get Shopify products as well, and you get access to an agent. An agent, basically, if you find any product on eBay or Alibaba, you just contact the agent, and what the agent will do is they'll contact multiple suppliers in China for you. They'll find who the best supplier is, and they'll get you a discounted price. So if you ever want a product, you don't need to do all the shopping around. You don't need to worry about Alibaba. You don't need to worry about anything else, because the agents do everything for you. Now, if you do want to get an idea about more winning products, then click on the playlist that you see on the screen right now, where we've uploaded multiple videos showing you winning products to sell on eBay.